Hello everyone, it's Gina again, back with one of my fantastic items that I'd like to share with you. This is the Luwint 36-inch elastic hat, and I bought this for walking in the Florida sun. To open it, you will just pull the cord, the white cord, you pull it until it locks in place. It took me a little while to figure this one out. That's how you open it. You pull the white cord until it locks in place, and then you'll have no problem with closing it because you close it the same exact way. If you have a head size, it says in the ad on Amazon, if your head size is over 22 inches, it probably won't fit, and I believe that because as I said, it's not really elastic. The band itself gives just a little bit, but not too much. So you slip it onto your head, and there's an additional strap if you want to adjust the strap to keep it firmly on your head. It is comfortable to wear. I do put like a headband underneath it just to buff a little bit for my skin. And I would suggest everybody do that, especially if you're going to wear it for a long time, but it is comfortable. The only problem I would say is that if you're in windy weather, it's going to wobble on your head. It's not going to be comfortable. It's going to definitely wobble. So you definitely don't want to wear this in windy weather. I would say this hat would be great for like if you know someone who is a gardener, or for someone who does a lot of fishing or hiking, even a walking mailman or mail person, this would be good for. But I thought I'd share it with you. If you want one, you can click on the link and it'll take you to Amazon where you can purchase your elastic fishing hat, is what they call it. But I do enjoy it and I hope you will too.